And so the sauerkraut, we did the same thing with this kraut as the braised champagne cabbage. We rinsed it very well with cold water and drained it out. And so the sauerkraut kind of gives a tang to the batter. It's sort of like if you would be putting yogurt in, but when you chop that kraut, it gives it a really nice consistency. It's almost like you have some coconut, mouthfeel of that. Doesn't that good?
Yeah,
it does look good.
Really, this is kind of a, if you ever, or you buy the Domino's sugar box, there's this frosting on the side there for cocoa buttercream. Almost the same recipe, but we use a little bit of heavy whipping cream to lighten it up a little bit more, and also a little more butterfat. Never hurt anybody. You're already having dessert. We saw how much sugar went into this thing in butter. It's okay to add a little bit of heavy whipping cream to your frosting, Just
they look amazing.
there we go.
Awesome.
Look at that.